Here we are with the SuiteCRM series again, and I'm going to show you how to customize these menus up at the top: marketing, collaboration, activities, sales, and support. So you can arrange these as you like within them, or you can arrange them across like this in whatever order you like, and you can even create your own. So the first thing you do is point at this little guy up here. Don't click on it, point at him, then click on Admin. That'll take you to the admin section that we need. Once we're in here, we need to get down to Developer Tools. This is arranged in groups, like I said before. It's the administration area. You'll spend a lot of time here. Users, System, Email, Developer Tools, Google Maps, Advanced Open Admin, and Bugs. Now, if we go back up here, Developer Tools, okay, and we're going to want to click on Configure Module Menu Filters. Don't confuse that with what we did in another video on display modules and subpanels. That was for the all menu over here only. This one is for all of the other menus and the bar itself. So when we get in here, we'll see a similar layout as we saw with the all menu, that you've got these modules here. You've got all of these across here that we can work with. Now these are all the modules, just like in the all menu. But here you've got different menus created, and you can create a new one as well. So when you are arranging them, you can just grab one and move it over. Whatever you hover over, like activities, is going to swap the two. So now marketing here and activities here. And it still has its submenu the way that it was. Now we're not going to see it up here yet until we hit save and deploy. But when we save and deploy, it's going to rearrange, and marketing's here and activities is there. So now within the menu, like under marketing, maybe we want leads up a little higher because they're more important to us. Put it up there, and we go save and deploy. And now when it refreshes, we look at marketing and leads is at the top, just like here. That's how it works. Now you can also see a way here that you can add another filter, as they're called. That's what these menus are called. So you scroll down until you see the orange box, Add Filter, click on it, and it says New Group. Okay? You can drag and drop what you want over here onto this new group. Like say we want to add tasks to this group, drag that there. Want to add notes to the group, drag that there. We can rearrange those. And then when we're finished, we save and deploy, but we can't rename it yet. You can click all you want, but it's not going to rename it. So if you click this, it's going to delete it. So don't do that. That's a little wastebasket if you couldn't tell. I couldn't tell. Hit save and deploy. All right. So now you've got that added here as new group. There's a little pencil next to it now you can click on, and that'll allow you to rename it. So let's rename it something like MISC, like miscellaneous. Okay. So save and deploy again. Okay. And let's take out our menu. Let's get rid of that so that that's gone, because we don't need that. Now we're going to save and deploy. Now there's miscellaneous, because there's only a certain amount of room for these across the top. And administration, administration is administration. Okay. Activities, every one of these will have administration at the bottom, and you can't change that very easily. So you just leave that alone. Even the one you created, it added it to the bottom. That's how you manage these module menus or filters. They have, module menu filters. It's kind of a little difficult to get used to the terminology unless you worked with a lot of CRMs. Many of them use the same terminology. But that's how you can customize this to your heart's content. I don't use collaboration a lot, so I would get rid of that. Save and deploy. That leaves me room to put another menu up there if I want. Support. Why would you need to see support if you're not offering support through your website? All right, I just hit edit. I need to hit the wastebasket. Then hit save and deploy. That's gone. See, I'm trimming this down to just what I need. Activities is not that important to me. Marketing and sales extremely important. So let's do marketing first, then sales, like that. See, swapping them. And then you hit save and deploy. This will change up here. And there you go. That's how you do it.
Let's break for a few seconds just to promote Small Guy on Top.
I hope you learned a lot from our videos and that you will go to our site at smallguyontop.com for articles and downloadable materials.
Please subscribe to our Daily Motion and YouTube channels.
YouTube and Daily Motion.